Hi, it's Julie Marie, and I'm here with Protective Diet in the Protective Diet Test Kitchen. And I wanted to show you how we store our fresh herbs. This is parsley that was from last week. And every week I take the towel out of my herb box. This is just any kind of plastic ware or glassware that has a cover on it. And with a fresh towel, put your herbs back in and do this once a week. And your herbs will last until you use them. Don't leave them in that plastic bag that you get them from the grocery store in. Get them home first thing, put them in a bowl, or if you have a salad spinner like I do here, rinse them thoroughly with water, draining out the water, and then give them a good spin so that they're dry. They can have a little moisture on them, but you want them pretty much dry. The first thing I do after I do a fresh restock and I get these home from the store is I give them a bath, and then I put them in a clean towel. And this week I'm adding cilantro to my herb box. I always keep parsley and cilantro. Sometimes I have chives, and basil I keep in the refrigerator separate. I never wash it until I'm ready to use it. But with parsley and cilantro, this is the way to store it. These will last until I use them completely. And on a protective diet, in my workplace for wellness, I use through these way faster than in a week or two. But this is a great way if you're just getting started adding fresh herbs to your diet. This is going to keep them fresh in your refrigerator. Don't leave them in those plastic bags in the refrigerator because they'll turn to mush in 2 days. And I want to encourage you to get reusable produce bags. These are so easy once you get used to using them. After you empty them in your kitchen, you want to get them back into the trunk of your car or your grocery tote if you're a walker. That's the key to always having them handy, is as soon as I take out my herbs when I get home from the store, these dry so quickly, I put them right back into my tote bags to get back into the trunk of my car so that the next time I'm at the store, they're handy and with me. Put these reusable produce bags in your workplace for wellness and in the trunk of your car or your grocery tote to offer protection to humans, animals, and our planet with a protective diet and lifestyle. Take care. Best of health.